And welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome back to a new video. And today we're working on your favorite car on the channel, not really, the Prius. And hopefully you enjoy this video because this car has been a fun project for a daily beater that I take out there and run the hell out of in my day job, which is lots and lots of miles, a few thousand miles a month. And this has been just a blessing. But because I didn't want to drive a plain old Prius and be made fun of constantly, I wanted to be made fun of a little bit less. And I put some custom offset stance wheels on this thing from Audio City, USA. And I did my grocery list on the side as just a bit of comedy. And we added the GR emblem on the back, which definitely gets people shaking their head, and a small little spoiler on the back, which I think I might replace that with something just slightly larger, and blacked out the windows, added a great dash cam since I'm driving so much. I got a couple little dents and dings out there on the highway, and I will not admit that it was me that maybe curbed the other side of the wheels you may see in this video. And I got a great guy named London that'll come out to the house, knock them out for me, and make them look like brand new, which will happen, because it's going to happen. I am literally everywhere. This thing is lowered, I think 1.5 inches with Eibach Sport Racing Springs, and it handles amazing for what it is. And today we're going to do one more cosmetic mod, and we talked about this early on in this process, which was to add red calipers and make this thing look complete. And that just makes no sense, because to spend thousands of dollars on expensive brakes for this thing, considering I'm not out on a racetrack, just made no sense. And it's a lease. I'll probably keep it because I'll be way over on the miles. Even if I am, it's 15 cents a mile, who cares? But if I end up keeping it because it's such a great car, then I'll leave it alone. But everything I've done to this thing can be easily reversed in literally a half a day in my garage myself, because I kept everything that was stock. But we're going to do this. We're going to make those calipers red with these caps, these covers that I found from AOOA Racing. And I don't know if there's anything racing about this company, but for about $208, comes with the tools, somewhat understandable instructions with strange English and lots of Chinese, but this is what they look like, and they are nice looking. You can get anything you want in the word on there except a brand, so you can't put Brembo on there. So you can get them plain and then buy Brembo stickers and really fake flex, but decided not to do that. But these will screw on and bolt on to the calipers, covering them, but they even have the little plumbing or whatever in these things, so they actually look legit, and it's just going to set the car off, and it's fun. I also tinted those. Anyways, you can talk trash in the comments, but this is a fun thing. It's not meant to be taken super seriously, because nothing I do to it will change the fact that it's a Prius. But they did almost double the horsepower from the prior gen Prius. This thing has over 220 horsepower and a freaking boatload of torque for what it is, and I get 40 plus miles on all electric, which I charge here in the driveway every night, and I'm averaging 50 to 60 miles per gallon, which is great, and it's been just awesome. I haven't had a beat up on any of my other cars. So we're going to throw these on. I'm going to take you with me, and then we'll look at the final reveal at the end, and this comment should be great on this video. So let's get to work. And one more thing that I totally filmed last week, and can't put it in this video, but I'm going to go ahead and overlay it while I talk, is if you have one of these things, or frankly any car, always be careful when you take it to the dealership. I took this thing in to get its first free service, but wasn't free. Was an upcharge that they wanted to charge me $59 for a cabin air filter. And I asked the guy, how much is it? He says, $59. And I said, well, it's 8,000 miles already. Does it really need that? And he's like, well, it cleans your air that you breathe. And at that moment I felt, okay, let me check. I went, Googled it. I bought a filter for like $7 and put it in, and it's the easiest thing in the world. So you can see while I'm talking that you literally just pop out the glove compartment, pop the filter out, pop it back in, $7. Insane. So don't pay $59 for that. Let's get this thing jacked up, or let's get the wheel loosened. It's jacked up just a little bit. All right, first one's on. These are a little sketchy, how they go on. They bolt there, and I just, I guess if I hear a loud bang, and I'll be buying some new wheels and brakes, but this seems pretty strong. Like it ain't coming off. I have to break it to get it off, so it should be okay. What am I doing? All right, let's do the rest of them and show you what it looks like. Rears were much easier, and those are much less sketchy. Look at that. Perfect. All right, let's get the other side done. Driver's side front, done. This one was easier. Now that I figure this thing out, it doesn't feel as sketchy now. But they are on there strong. Looks good. All right, one more, we'll be done. All right, we are done. Just torque these wheels down so I don't have an episode on the freeway. And reveal this car. It took about an hour just because I'm sitting here lollygagging around and figuring this out with the Chinese instructions, but in the end, I know they're on there good. I feel confident. I feel like they're not going to fly off, and they look kind of cool. So let's finish this up and I'll reveal the car. All right, so I'm going to try to talk over all these airplanes and helicopters. We live right on the back of a golf course, and behind us is where all the fires were like 15 years ago. So whenever I hear the helicopters and airplanes up there and their fire department stuff, I get nervous, but I think we're fine. But we're fine. Got to think positive, everybody. Now let's reveal this thing. This is the 2025 Toyota Prius GR version with red calipers. Look at that. They're covers. Yes, they are. And Eibach lowering springs. Look at that. Little peak of red popping through there to go with the GR. And here you go. Full side view with the red. Check that out. What do you think about that? It came out great. I mean, honestly, for 208 bucks, if I can find a link, I'll put it in the description below. I'm sure I can. It's AOOA. And only took them 2 times, one other second order to get the wheel, the size right. But I imagine not many people with Priuses are doing this, so I give them a pass on that one. Seems like everybody else who's got these things love them, and you can put them on any car. They have literally these caliper covers for anything. Doesn't matter what it is. You want an Escalade, I can put them on here if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. So in the end, what do you think? I think it looks really good, and it's fun, and I hope you all get that this is just fun. It's meant to be fun, funny, not serious. So don't get all serious. Some of you are so serious. This is just fun. That's why I have eggs, milk, bread, ham on the side. But it's cool at the same time, and everybody who sees it kind of smiles. I get thumbs up constantly because people are just shocked that it's a damn Prius. So with that, everybody, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Do you think it looks cool for a Prius? And you always have to say, it's kind of cool for a Prius, but I think it is. And it's a lot of fun. We'll get back to all the Mopar stuff and other stuff. And I am going to do some stuff on the M3, because I'll tell you right now, that M3 competition is the most insane car I've ever driven for the money. I'm telling you, next to my Lambo, it's just ridiculous. So we'll do a video on that. Not that I expect everybody to line up to watch it, but we're going to mix up the content a little bit. And I'm still shopping for a Dodge. So with that, please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'm gonna go find out what the hell's going on behind our house. Airplanes, helicopters, Holy moly. Welcome to California. See you in the next one. Alright, so we're about to edit this video, but apparently there is a fire. Look at that. Apparently there is a fire up in the back hills over there, so hopefully they solve it with the water from the golf course. But, yeesh. Well, either way, it's time for a martini and edit this video.